If you're running a local business, there's one tool you can't afford to ignore, which is Google My Business. Today, we'll dive into why Google My Business is crucial for your local SEO strategy. GMB is a free tool that allows businesses to manage their online presence across Google Search and Google Maps. But it's much more than just a business directory. It's your gateway to appearing in front of local customers at the exact moment they're searching for the services you offer. When someone searches for a service in their area, the first thing they see is the local pack, a map and a list of businesses that match their search. With a fully optimized Google My Business listing, your business can show up right here, gaining prime visibility and attracting more customers. Google My Business is a powerful tool that can significantly improve your local search ranking. By verifying your business information, regularly updating your profile, and engaging with customers through reviews, you can boost your online visibility and drive more traffic to your website. When people search for services near me, Google prioritizes local businesses with verified GMB profiles. Without Google Business listing, you risk being invisible to potential customers searching for your services in the area. Google My Business also offers valuable insights. You can see how customers find your business, what actions they take, and how your listing performs over time. These analytics help you refine your SEO strategy and make informed decisions to grow your business. For more insights on digital marketing and SEO, visit us at www.theseoguy.in.